A very warm welcome to everyone. Good morning, everyone. I hope I'm audible.
Yes, you are audible, sir.
Yes. Thank you, everyone. And we are here today for this insightful session on robotics and IoT, building intelligent, connected systems for the future. I am Ritwis Singh, serving as Learning and Development Head, responsible for designing and executing industry-aligned training programs across emerging technologies. I lead curriculum development, faculty enable, and learning engagement initiatives, ensuring skill development programs meet evolving industry and organizational needs. We are delighted to have students, faculty members, professionals, and technology enthusiasts with us today. This webinar is designed to bridge academic learning with real world industrial practices in the domains of robotics, IoT, and intelligent automation. Now, I will tell you about the organization that is Indeed Inspiring Infotech. So, Indeed Inspiring Infotech is a technology driven organization focused on skill development, emerging technologies, and industry oriented training. We specialize in robotics, IoT, AIML, and digital innovation, enabling students, professionals, and institutions through workshops, certifications, projects, and hands on learning experiences. So, now I'll talk about Crucial Technology Private Limited. So, Crucial Technology Private Limited is a technology and consulting company delivering end to end solutions in AI, data engineering, cloud, automation, and IoT. We work closely with enterprises and startups to design, build, and deploy scalable, intelligent, and industry ready technology solutions aligned with the business objectives. So today's session is organized with the vision of enabling practical, industry relevant learning and fostering innovation through emerging technologies. Now, it is my privilege to introduce you to the visionary behind this initiative, Mr. Kushal Sharma, founder of Indeed Inspiring Infotech. He is a passionate entrepreneur and technology uh, who has been actively driving skill development, innovation, and industry academia collaborations across domains such as robotics, IoT, AI, and advanced technologies. His leadership has been instrumental in creating platforms that empower students and professionals with hands on, future ready skills. Let's welcome Mr. Kushal Sharma.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. So, moving forward, we have the first speaker with us, and that is Mr. Nilesh Chavan. He will be talking about Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and ESP32 in robotics and IoT applications. Now, in this session, he will share practical insights into the embedded platforms, sensors, controllers, and real world robotics and IoT use cases, helping participants understand how these technologies are applied in industry grade solutions. Please join me in welcoming Mr. Nilesh Chavan. Yes. So our second speaker is Arti Lahani, who will take us deeper into the intelligent automation. Her topic is AI powered robotics with IoT integration. She will discuss how artificial intelligence enhances robotic systems through smart sensing, data driven decision making, and seamless IoT integration, along with industry trends and future ready applications. Let us warmly welcome Arti Lahani.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now, moving further, in addition to the training and workshops, we also support learners and innovators through our offline and online robotics and IoT stores. So, this store provides access to robotics kits and components, Arduino, Raspberry Pi, ESP32 boards, sensors, actuators, motors, and controllers. customizable lithium ion battery pack with charger that no one provides. Project kits for students, institutions, and startups. Whether you are building a beginner project or an advanced industry prototype, our store enables end-to-end support from learning to implementation. And thank you. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, now you're audible. I think there was a network glitch.
Okay, sir. So as I was talking, like I just closed my remarks, and we are starting with the Mr. Nilesh Chavan, sir. So I would request him to take this session forward. Sir, you are muted. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, yeah. Now I'm audible.
Yes, yes, you are audible, sir. Yes.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Nilesh Chavan, having expertise in robotics and embedded board like Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and ESP32. I'll be talking about how platforms like Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and ESP32 are being used in real-world robotics and IoT applications. This session is focused on understanding where each platform fits, how industry is using them today, and how students and professionals can start building industry ready solutions. Let's start with a quick background. Earlier, robotics automation systems were built using highly specialized and expensive hardware. Over time, embedded platforms evolved to become more affordable, flexible, and developer friendly. Today, platforms like Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and ESP32 dominate robotics and IoT development. The reason is simple: fast prototyping, low cost, huge community support, and easy integration with the sensors, motors, and cloud platforms. Now, an important distinction to understand is the difference between microcontrollers and single board computers. Arduino and ESP32 are microcontrollers used for real-time control based for sensors, motors, and automation, but having some limitations. So that's why we are using Raspberry Pi is a single board computer, runs an operating system based for processing, data handling, and edge computing. In modern robotic systems, we often use them together, not as separately. Earlier, industries relied heavily on PLC only system. Now, earlier industries totally dependent upon PLC only system. Today, industry are moving towards hybrid system that combine PLC with the embedded platforms Like ESP32 is becoming extremely popular in industry IoT because it supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. It consumes very low power. It is a cost-effective and large-scale deployment. Raspberry Pi is also used where more processing power is needed, such as edge computing, vision-based inspection, data aggregation, and gateways. We see these platforms being used in manufacturing automation, smart monitoring system, predictive maintenance, wireless robotic system. Industry is no longer asking PLC or a microcontroller. Instead, it's asking how do we integrate them together. Now, let's look at the core architecture of a robotic or IoT system in short. Every system has a four main parts. First is a sensor, another is a controller, and processing and communication, and the last one is action and response. Sensor collect data such as a temperature, light, distance, or a motion. Controllers like Arduino or ESP32 reads this data and make a decision. Communication happens using protocols like I2C, SPI, UART, MQTT, and HTTP. Data can be processed locally at the edge or sent to the cloud for a dashboard and analytics. A simple data flow looks like sensor to controller, controller to processing, processing to dashboard, and dashboard to action. The same architecture applies whether you are building a student project or an industrial solutions. Now, I had like to briefly talk about what we do. We work on deploying robotics and IoT proof of concept using Arduino and ESP32 or other embedded boards. Our focus is on rapid prototyping, taking an idea and converting it into working model quickly. We integrate hardware with dashboard, web dashboard, cloud platforms, and mobile application. Along with the deployment, we also focus heavily on training students, working professional, and industrial teams. Our goal is to bridge the gap between academic learning and real industrial requirement. Industries usually come with a problem statement, not a ready solution. Our role is to understand the problem, design a solution, build a deployable prototype. We help industry with the low cost automation, monitoring and alert system, custom hardware, software integration. We also support pilot projects, demos, and MVP deployment so companies can validate ideas before full scale deployment. Arduino and ESP32 are excellent for control and automation. Raspberry Pi is a powerful for processing and edge computing. Industry is moving towards integrated hybrid system. Skills in embedded systems are highly valuable today. For the students and professionals, the best way to start is by building a small real-world projects and gradually scaling them. With that, I will now hand over the session to the next speaker, who will take this discussion further into AI-powered robotics and intelligence system. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank
Ritu sir, can we
yes,
show the hands-on after a while?
yes, sir. Yes, no issues, no issues.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay, sir. So before moving to the next session, let me again reiterate on few pointers that I believe were not conveyed because of poor network. So I was talking about that we also provide offline and online robotics equipments and IoT store. So we provide robotics kits and components, Arduino, Raspberry Pi, ESP32 boards, sensors, actuators, motors, and controllers. And we also provide customizable lithium ion battery pack with charger. And this no one provides because this is customizable. In Pune, it is very rare. So project kits for students, institutions, and startups also we provide. So in this way, I would request Ms. Aarti Lahane will take us to the next session. And yes,
Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Aarti Lahane and today I will be talking about the AI powered robotics with the IoT integration. We hear words like AI, robotics, IoT almost every day. But today I want to explain them in a simple, practical way with a real life example that we all can relate. Let's start from the beginning. Earlier, robots were designed to do fixed and repetitive tasks. They followed predefined instructions again and again. For example, a robot arm in factory that kept picking and placing objects in the same way. This works well only in controlled environment, but in real life, it's not always predictable. Why robots alone is not enough? Traditional robots work on if its logics. If sensor detects something, then it will move. If button is pressed, then it will stop. But what if lighting changes and object comes from a different angles, and suddenly comes in front? The robot doesn't know what to do. At that point, human intervention is required. That's why robotics alone is not enough. So, role of AI making robots intelligence. This is where artificial intelligence or AI comes in. AI helps robots to understand their surrounding, analyze the data patterns, take smart decisions. So instead of blindly following the rules, robots start making and thinking and adapting. AI improve robots in three main ways. First is perception. AI help robots understand sensor data and camera images. For example, object detection, people, and defect detection. Second is a prediction. AI can predict future events like machine failure or traffic congestion. Third is decision making. AI help robots decide what actions to take based on current and past data. Now let's talk about the IoT. IoT connects the robots, sensors, machine, and cloud system. IoT allows continuous data collection, remote monitoring, communication between the systems. Without IoT, robots works alone. With IoT, robots become a part of connected smart system. Let me give you some real life example. First example, smart house cleaning robot. It uses IoT sensors to detect walls and furniture, AI to map room and detect the best cleaning path, robotics to move, clean, and return to the charging dock. This makes the robot efficient, adaptive, and easy to use at a home. Second example is humanoid robots. Humanoid robots use IoT to connect cloud system, AI to recognize face and understand voice commands, robotics to walk, move hand, and interact with the people. That's why we see humanoid robots in a mall, office, and hospitals. They are interactive and intelligent. Now let's see how industries are adapting this. Industries are moving away from manual work to simple automation, towards smarts and intelligence automation. Earlier, machines needed human for almost everything. Now, machines are learning to work on their own. So, autonomous and semi-autonomous robots. Modern robots do not need constant human control. They can understand surrounding, changing action when something unexpected happens, work safely around humans. For example, autonomous mobile robots in factory. They don't follow fixed line, avoid obstacles, find new path automatically. This makes factories faster and safer. Let's talk about the cobots. Cobots are a robot that work with the humans. AI helps with the cobots to detect human presence, show down or stop if needed, adjust speed and strength. For example, cobots help worker assemble parts. The human does the skill work, and robot does the heavy and repetitive work. This improves the safety, productivity, comfort of workers. Earlier, machines were repaired after they broke down. Now, sensor monitor machine health, AI analyze vibration and temperature. Alerts are sent before the failures. For example, if motor vibrates abnormally, AI detect it earlier and send an alert. This save the money, time, and equipment life. Smart robotics in different industries. AI-powered robots are used everywhere now. In healthcare, robots monitor patient health and send alerts. In logistics, robots sort and deliver packages. In smart cities, AI cameras and sensor manage traffic signals. It reduces traffic jams, accidents, and waiting time. Now let's understand how this system works internally. Step 1, sensor data collection. Sensor collect data like temperature, motion, pressure, images, and this data is sent using the IoT. Step 2, Edge AI versus Cloud AI. Some AI run close to the robot called Edge AI. It gives the fast response. Some AI run on the cloud is used for a heavy computation and analysis. For example, obstacle detection happens at the edge and performance analysis happens in a cloud. Robot continuously sense, decide, act, learn. And this feedback loop makes robot fast, smarter, and over time. What we are doing and our capabilities. So at our organization, we focus on building practical and industry-ready systems. We integrate AI models, robotic platforms, and IoT data. We work on intelligent navigation, vision-based robotics, safety monitoring, automation solutions. We build projects using real-world data sets, simulates and live IoT data, industry-relevant problems. We also train students and teams with the hands-on learning, end-to-end project exposure, real industry use cases. So our approach is solution-oriented, not tool-oriented. We understand business problem, design intelligent automation solutions. Before implementation, we check technical feasibility, cost benefit, scalability. We help industry optimize with energy, resource, and processes and support them in industry. So let's talk about the future. So skill required, basic of robotics and sensors, AI and machine learning fundamentals, Python and data handling, system integration and knowledge. So in robotics, we also have a future scope. So future scope areas are edge AI, human robot collaboration, autonomous system, ethical and safe AI. This area will create many job opportunities. So advice for the students are work on real world problems, end-to-end systems and integrate projects. Don't just build the demos, build the solutions. So that's it. Thank you. And I will take it or move forward it with the Ritvi sir.
Yes, thank you, Miss Arthi. And now I would request Mr. Kushal Sharma to take us and talk on our solutions that we provide. Yes, Kushal Sharma, sir.
Thanks a lot, Ritvish sir. So let me talk more on the kind of solutions which we provide and services which we have. I hope I'm audible.
Yes, sir, you are audible. Yes.
Could you please confirm me if I'm audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible. Kushal, sir, you are audible. I believe there is a network glitch. Let me just message Kushal, sir, once to check with their network. Yes.
All right, yeah. So, as Ritvi sir has already introduced, so we as Indeed Inspiring Infotech, we are a learning and development company, and we have been connected with serving a lot of university level, college level programs in different ways. We have also been connected with corporates to help them during their skill upgradation, certifications, induction batches. In learning and development, we have been extensively working, and into that, we have been into learning and development as trainings, workshops, and not only that, like we have been helping and supporting to create the whole learning and management system, writing books and publishing them, writing and creating self-paced learning courses. So, as a L&D company, we have great expertise into this. We have also been offering Center of Innovation and Center of Excellence. Specifically, we have been integrating with a lot of engineering colleges for computer, IT, AI, ML, cybersecurity, mechanical, electrical, these departments, as well as we have been associated with a lot of management institutions where we have been providing technology oriented knowledge based sessions. We have also been connected with chemistry, pharma, Ayurvedic, a lot of healthcare institutions as well. And there also we have set up Center of Innovation and a lot of R&D activities we take up. Now let me talk about Brushel Technology Private Limited. So we are a service-based company, and under Prishal, we give all AI and ML backed solutions. So complete end-to-end solutions we give to our customers and client. We have been working into different segments and areas. Like we have been working into manufacturing, we have been working into energy, consumer segment. So, like while designing and delivering solutions to these industries, we have seen that today it requires skills starting from full stack development, then you need to be data oriented. And then, if we talk about manufacturing setup, then you need to know industrial IoT, Industry 4.0 architecture, you need to understand. And then the implementation actually comes into existence. The reason for why I'm explaining these to everyone is that while doing all of these projects and delivering these services, we need a lot of young people with us who can come and learn and contribute with us, and that's where we I would like to open up the collaborating opportunity. So the kind of collaboration I am able to see, most of the universities now are having 6 months internships with their students. So there, I would like to open up a discussion and opportunity where we can collab, and we can share our requirements with all the connected, respected faculties and HODs, the kind of requirements which we have, and we can collaborate in this particular manner. Secondly, we have R&D level projects as well, pilot projects as well. So there also we require support again from enthusiastic and skilled manpower, and we also give them briefing and training of what kind of projects we are entering into. So that's another area that project-based engagement can also be there. The third area is we have been specialized in power systems, electrical components, and how AI/ML works over there, renewable energy sector. So we have been working extensively into this particular area. We are extensively working on conversational AI, chatbot solutions, and we are also working into robotics and creating products into which can help the customer service industry receptions and handle queries independently. So such prototypes we are developing and we are serving also into this industry. So we can also, I'm opening another part where we can offer some industry offered course to the college and university, where it will be very much specific to one of the industries in the area. One will be industrial area, functional domain, and obviously it will be in the area of AI, ML, and robotics and industrial IoT. So that's another opportunity I would like to open. And if there is a requirement of uh, center of innovation or center of excellence, so we can discuss on that as well, and on a specific R&D work and prototyping we can discuss on that part as well. So these are the few pointers which I wanted to put upon, and I think now we can move ahead. And uh, I would ask Mr. Nilesh, like if we can have some prototypes, or maybe if anything we have a possibility to showcase, at least for student level things, that those who would like to enter into the robotics part. So if we can demonstrate something over there, can you please confirm if we have something of that kind? Yeah, Nilesh sir, do we have some setup readily available now to demonstrate here?
Yeah, just a minute.
Yes, you can unmute yourself now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, Kushal, sir. We have this smart robotic card powered by ESP32. It's not just a toy car, it's a prototype platform used to understand robotics, IoT, and industrial automation concept. ESP32 has inbuilt Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, no extra communication modules required, suitable for modern industry-ready projects. Let me quickly explain what this car currently includes. This car currently includes ESP32 controller, motor drivers, DC motors, rechargeable battery, and application which is cloud-based named as Blink IoT application. And also we can upgrade this car to the visuals through this ESP32 webcam, and we can access the visions also. User sends command from mobile. This is my mobile. I'm sending the command to move forward, move backwards, left, right, and stop. Motor user sends command from mobile. ESP32 processes the command. Motor drivers activates motors. Car moves forward, reverse, left, and right. Same logic is used in factory robots, automated guided vehicles, remote monitoring system. This exact concept is already used in industry. Real-time industry use cases are AGVs, automated guided vehicle in factories like Amazon warehouses, warehouse robots, e-commerce sorting robots, remote inspection robots, autonomous delivery vehicle. Our car is a scaled down learning version of this system. This is where things become exciting. Possible upgradation in this car is camera, live video surveillance, ultrasonic and IR sensors for obstacle avoidance, line follower, factory path navigation, cloud dashboards, live data and control, voice control, AI integration, autonomous decision making. With upgrade, this single car become a complete robotics and IoT lab. This ESP32 robotic car is not the final product. It is a foundation platform to understand how real industrial robots are designed, controlled, and upgraded. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you, sir. So, Kushal, sir, you are there, right? Just a moment. Kushal, sir, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, sure. Yeah.
Yeah. So, I would request Kushal, sir, to tell us all about uh, the internship opportunities for robotics and AI/ML that we have, and yes, then I would be talking about learning and development as well. Yes.
Sure, sure. Yeah, sure, sir. So currently we have internship requirements. There's so many, but I'll just speak about the robotics and AI ML. So robotics, we have internship requirement, which is at our Wagholi office. So there, students can get an opportunity to work on the tool set which Mr. Nilesh was talking about: Arduino, Raspberry Pi, ESP32 sensors, actuators, motors. So that's one thing. AI ML also we have requirements, and there is a requirement where basically students can work in both of them. Like they can work like as an integrated environment. We need to work on some products which have got both the things, like even the AI ML related as well as robotics related. And apart from that, you can go into the section. I'll just send it in the chat. If you go to www.indeedinspiring.com, and in the footer section, you will be able to see that there is there is a careers section. So in the career section, you will be able to see we have all the current openings which are available. So from there the students can apply. Like, we have a very transparent and open uh, approach to the candidates who want to apply for it, and there you will be able to see all the openings opportunities along with the JDs which are posted. Student need to log in and then apply, upload their resume, and then from HR department they will get a call back to schedule interview. The initial first, second, maybe third round, they are online only. And once the shortlisted candidates are there, so then we call them to the office. So this is the mechanism. And if the institutes are not Pune based, they are out of Pune, then the whole process goes online. And then once the students are shortlisted, we share the letter of intent, keeping all the faculties, like faculty coordinators, in loop, so that you are aware that which students are getting the selected in this particular process. So Mr. Shiv is here, so I would just like him to introduce himself, because he looks after all this process. So I would just request Mr. Shiv. He's HR, and he basically looks after all this collaboration of internships with the colleges. So if he's available, I would just request him to kindly just say hi and introduce, and then I will hand it over back to Ritvi sir. Yeah.
Yeah, hello all. I'm Shiv and I look after all the HR and project related activities in Kushal Technology Private Limited. And as informed by Kushal sir, like we have got many internship opportunities with us. Mainly the current opening which we are having is into AIML and robotics and IoT field. So whoever is interested, as informed, like you can get into the official career page of indeedinspiring.com and you can apply from our portal. Once I receive the application, I will be checking your profile if it suits the role which has been given according to the JD. And I will schedule your interview, like whoever applies it. And like what makes us different, like whatever, like whoever joins internship with us, we give the real time exposure, like real time industry exposure to the candidates, and they work on real time projects which we are working currently for our clients. So may it be in AIML, may it be in robotics or web development. So whatever internship we provide, it has got real time exposure to the candidates. So yeah, that's it from my side. Thank you everyone for this wonderful session where you have joined in. Now I will ask Ritvi sir to brief about this L&D department which we have under Indeed Inspiring for Tech. Yeah, thank you.
Yes, thank you, Shiv sir, for introducing uh, HR department and the activities that we provide in collaboration with colleges and universities. So now I'll be talking about learning and development. So we provide technical and non-technical trainings to colleges, universities, and corporate companies as well. We have a lot many MOUs uh, pan India, and accordingly we provide services. So talking specific about robotics and IoT, so we will be launching a series of offline and online workshops, certification programs, and internship opportunities in robotics, IoT, AI/ML, and intelligent systems. Participants will get access to structured learning paths, hands-on projects, mentorship, and industry exposure because we have our own LMS portal as well, right? So details regarding upcoming programs, registrations, and learning tracks will be shared through our official communication channels. We encourage you to register and participate actively and take the next step towards building industry aligned skills. So this was a short introduction about learning and development. And now I would ask Kushal sir for a closing remark from his side. Kushal sir, yes.
Yeah, yes. So I would like to thank everyone, and there's a query in the chat about the certificate. So yes, you will get the certificate from the portal itself. If you see that let me show you by sharing the screen itself. We have this simple portal which is available in the website itself. So here, if you go to indeedinspiring.com and if you try to go to event section, so under event section, you will be able to see like what are the ongoing events, what are the upcoming events, what are the past events. So all of them will be visible here. So you can just simply click on this. And if you click on apply now, you have to put your email ID over here, and you'll receive a send OTP. You'll receive an OTP. So I'll just do a live demo over here. So once you receive the OTP, then you will be enrolled into this particular event. And for example, I just received the OTP. I'll put 486331 and log in. So once you log in, you are now logged in into your account. If I click on apply now, you can see it's enrolled. If you click on join live, so it'll come up to this Zoom. So we have directly sent the Zoom link as well. So from here also you could have got the live session link. Now if you go to the account in certificates, so here all the certificates which you have participated, you will get all of these certificates in this particular section. Under the certificate section you will get. Okay, if that event needs something, like if this particular event